5 Best Handheld Air Compressors. Number 5. PI Auto Store PS003. Plug into your 12-volt cigarette lighter socket. Microprocessor monitors tire pressure. Very useful quick reference guide label on back of unit. Will automatically stop at your set pressure. Fused to protect vehicle. Carrying case is included. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 4. AutoBox AC2. Auto shut-off allows for safe, easy operation using the 3 buttons. Unattended operation by turning the compressor. Simple 3-button operation. No need for special training. Item weight, 2.69 pounds. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 3. Roy-Pow i52. Automotive use and home use. Digital tire gauge before inflation. Allow to preset the required air pressure. Fairly visible and easy to read. Owing to the Roy-Pow exclusive design. Inflates standard tire in 3 minutes. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 2. Engrupo E51. Maintain proper tire inflation. It has 4 pressure units side. Cool mini portable electric air pump. Fully charges in 90 minutes. 100% satisfaction warranty. Sleek exterior metallic finish. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 1. Kinson A58A. Digital pressure gauge. Every tire leaks air over time. Going to reach the nearest gas station. With advanced functionality. 3 attachment nozzles. Item weight, 5 pounds. Please check the description for detail and price.